In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to make your first $1,000 online within only 7 days. Now guys, this might sound crazy, but literally any one of you who's watching this video can make $1,000 within 7 days online, completely remote, without a boss, without a job. Anyone can do this, right? Now, just quickly before I continue the video, if you don't know who I am, my name is Alim and I quit my 9-to-5 job over 2 years ago. And since then, I've moved to Dubai. I run a 6-figure online coaching business that's completely changed my life, right? And not only has it allowed me to make a lot of money, but what it's allowed me to do is have freedom, right? And this is the benefit of having an online business, because an online business gives you freedom, it allows you to make lots of money, and it allows you to work for yourself so you don't have a boss, right? Now, a lot of you guys that are working 9-to-5 job, you have to answer to your boss, you have to be nice to him because at any point he can fire you, right? And I don't have that. I live for myself, I can make money online, I have the skills, and that's what's changed my life. Now, a lot of you guys want to make money online, and what I've decided to do is basically create a video today which shows you that you guys can literally start making 1K within 7 days. Now, you're probably asking, how do you do that? How can you make $1,000 within 7 days? Well, I'm going to break it down. So the best business model that you guys can do is the one skill consulting business model, okay? Now, if you're not familiar with what that is, essentially it's a coaching business where you work with people on a one-to-one basis, where you basically sell your knowledge and skills to high ticket clients, right? And high ticket is anything over $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 or $5,000 usually. But because you guys are beginners, because you guys haven't made money online before, you guys can literally start with $1,000 and make that within 7 days. So what I've done is I've created a program, right? A little mini program, which is separate to my coaching, right? This is something that I've decided to create that gives you guys the best possible chance to start making money online. Because if you can make $1,000, well, you can make $2,000, you can make $3,000, you can make $4,000, right? All you guys need to do is just make that first $1,000, because once you make that first $1,000, thousands of dollars become a lot easier after that. So that's why I've built a comprehensive mini program which has over 15 assets, by the way, right? So you have documents in there, you have videos in there that literally breaks down exactly how you guys can literally start this business model today and within 7 days make your first $1,000 online. Honestly, it's one of the best things. It's something that I've made over the last few weeks. I've made it quite comprehensive and I've given a lot of detail in there and a lot of information, right? And all of this that I have created is only £50, okay? Guys, £50 is absolutely nothing in today's day and age. And the reason why I've priced it so cheaply, right? I could have easily charged £500, £600, £1,000, right? But I decided to price it at £50 because I'm thinking to myself, right? If I can help you guys make $1,000 online, well, as I said earlier, you're going to be able to make $2,000, you're going to be able to make $3,000, right? And then you're going to want to scale. You're going to want to make more money. So it's for the people that don't have money right now. Well, if you've got £50, which pretty much everyone does, let's be real, right? Doesn't matter what your situation is at the moment. If you're watching this video, the device you're watching this video on costs more than £50. Do you know what I'm trying to say? Doesn't matter. £50 for a lifetime access to this, by the way. You get this completely for life. You've got all the videos for life and you have everything in there. All the documents, stuff that I include in my full program, which is worth more than multi-4 figures. So you get this all for £50, guys. So if you do want access to this mini program, the link is in the description. I've left one link there purposely so you guys can just click on that link, buy this program, and then you can get access to it straight away. And honestly, guys, it's one of the best decisions you make because £50 where you can make £1,000 or $1,000 online is a steal, okay? So you guys can literally purchase this for £50 and within 7 days make 1,000. Honestly, it's one of the best deals possible. And I've decided to do this because I want to try and help as many people who don't have the money to pay for my full program, which I understand, right? Not everyone has the money to pay for the full program. Because my main program, where I work with people on a one-to-one basis and scale you to 10K a month, well, that's multi-4 figures, right? And not everyone can afford that. So I decided to create this mini program. Again, £50, completely cheap. It has a lot of information on there and you guys can literally start watching those videos, start applying it and start getting access to resources, which some of them I include in my full program for only £50. So again, if you guys are interested and you do want to make your first $1,000 online, click the link in the description, purchase it, and you'll get access to it straight away. Guys, do not miss out on this opportunity, right? Because I'm only doing this for the next week or so. After that, I am going to delete it. Then you won't be able to access it. I'm going to take down this video and literally that program will not be available. So if you're watching this video, take action today. Do not wait. Do not say I'm going to do it tomorrow, because I might even take it down tomorrow, right? Depends. I'm only trying to give it to a few people. So as long as this video is live, as long as you're watching this video, the course is available. As soon as this video gets taken down, that's it. The course is not available, the program's not available for anyone, and no one else can do this, right? So guys, if you are interested, click the link, purchase it, you'll get access straight away. And once you purchase it, follow everything correctly, you guys can start making your first $1,000 online within 7 days, and you can literally change your life. Because as soon as you do that, you're gonna see, okay, cool, if I can make $1,000 in 1 week, well then I can make $2,000 in 2 weeks, $3,000 in 3 weeks, $4,000 in 4 weeks, right? And for most of you, that'll allow you to quit your job.